Handling accident repairs and insurance claims can often be slow, confusing, and filled with endless paperwork. For many workshops, managing customer details, damage reports, insurance approvals, and billing all at once becomes a daily challenge. With Moiboo, accident and insurance claim management becomes simple, fast, and fully digital. Capture customer and vehicle details instantly, take clear photos of the damage, and document everything directly from your device. Mechanics can quickly tag damaged areas and generate accurate repair estimates within minutes. Send these estimates directly to insurance providers and receive approvals faster without the back-and-forth paperwork. Track repair progress, manage spare parts, and generate invoices seamlessly, all from one platform. With Moiboo, you can streamline your entire accident repair and insurance claim workflow, saving time, reducing errors, and delivering a smoother experience for both your team and your customers.